बाबूराव मन देखने चला एक सपना, बाबूराव मन देखने चला एक सपना।
Tejasvi has changed my perspective is that she is very positive person. So that is one transformation she has really brought into my life. And as a person, she is a pure soul, I can say. Very loving, very caring.
How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
One thing that I really like about him is that he is very, very patient, which I am not. So that is something that he compliments me in. I am somebody who gets hyper for small things, but he brings calmness into my life. He also has a very, very pure heart. Like, he's always there to help anybody and everybody. So that makes me fall in love with him every single day.
I've died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
हम तोड़ गए जब तुम झुकी, तब से तुम नजर में आ रुकी। हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे थालमा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना। हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे थालमा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना। हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए।
Your chemistry is very good and
और कंफर्टेबल है एक दूसरे के साथ, एंड वी फील एंड वी होप दैट राज विल बी द बेस्ट पार्टनर फॉर तेजस्वी's life.
Tejasvi, we are going to miss you a lot. After you go to your Sasural, we will be totally alone in the house and we are really going to miss you.
Miss you, Bacha. Miss you. Love you. Take care. We are always with you.
Tejasvi, congratulations on getting married. Well, you were the only kid in the house after I left, so there was this void that you had to fill. But I think you did that very well. But once you will be gone, there'll be no one left for mom and dad, so you're leaving a huge responsibility on my shoulders. So we all are going to definitely miss you. But with this new phase in your life, this new chapter, hopefully everything goes well and you have a great blast there as well. Have a great life.
I'm totally excited. She's a little princess to us, my little Xerox, and now she has found her dream partner. And I'm super excited for her, and I wish her very best for her future.
I'm sure that Raj is going to keep Tejasvi very happy. They look like a couple made in heaven. So they're going to have a very long and very happy married life. Best of luck.
It's really exciting. We are so very happy to hear about Tejasvi's wedding. And I recall कि पहली बार जब पता चला था तो it was like we could not believe कि ओ ये बच्ची की शादी हो रही है, ऐसा लगा था हमें. And see, the day is here and tomorrow she is getting wedded with Raj.
She's princess for us, and even Raj, we did not expect him to be so good. But he's also a wonderful person, and we are very proud of him, and he's going to make our princess happy always.
ऐसी अजनबी थी आपसे कि हमसे ना कभी कोई आपसे हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे खालम.
राज एक परफेक्ट लड़का है, परफेक्ट बेटा है जो सबकी केयर करता है और सबसे बहुत प्यार करता है. मेरा सबसे लाडला बेटा है.
न सिर्फ बहू आई है लेकिन लक्ष्मी आई है. इंग्लिश में कहते हैं कि बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन देयर इज अ वुमन. तो तेजस्वी इज अ लक्ष्मी एंड इट विल चेंज द एंटायर लाइफ ऑफ राज, फॉर्च्यून एंड डेस्टिनी.
दोनों अच्छे से रहे और लाइफ टाइम दोनों की जोड़ी एकदम हैप्पी रहे.
हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे खालम. अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जना.
No, I will not miss you.
Sorry.
Yeah, even I would not miss you because I'm very happy you're going into a very good family. So I'm really happy for you. Teji, you're going to Nepal. Teji, finally you got your Raj Simran, my rocking sis.
We finally got a reason to come to Jew Beach every Sunday or a weekend just to meet you and see your smiling face with Raj.
Hi Teji, I am so happy for you, and we are so lucky that we've got someone like Raj, because truly he is the perfect person you could have ever found, and I just hope for your romantic life to be better than the ever.
Oh, yeah. You would be always happy, so yeah, we're happy for you.
Yeah, Teji, we are definitely happy for you and we'll miss you.
राज और तेज दोनों लाइफ में एक दूसरे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग करते हैप्पी लाइफ
गुजारते आगे बढ़े और हम वो देख के खुशी हो जाए.
રાજ અને તેજસ્વી તમે લોકો જિંદગીમાં ખૂબ આગળ વધો એવું અમારા કાકા કાકી
सुखी रहो.
એવી કાકા કાકી તરફથી શુભેચ્છા અને ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ.
बेस्ट विशेस. और हम वही दिल से यही दुआ देंगे कि बस आपकी और प्रगति होए और आप हमेशा जीवन भर खुश रहे. बस यही हमारी दुआ है.
અને ભગવાન તને અને તેજુને એકદમ લાઈફ એકદમ સરસ છે અને ફાઇન બનાવે અને એકદમ હેપી લાઈફ છે અને ખૂબ આગળ વધશે.
ये जो बनाए जना. हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए. हम तो हैं समा.
Hi Tejasvi! So you know that we've been in a long distance relationship since we've met, and we are very happy that you're coming to this side of the town so close to us now.
I don't think our college days would have been this entertaining without you. So thank you for always entertaining us with your lame jokes.
Happy Girls would be incomplete without you. We are lucky to have you. Love you. Raj is a great guy and we are so glad that you found your lobster.
Love you, Tejasvi.
Raj and Tejasvi, congratulations to both of you and wish you both a lifetime of happiness. Raj, I couldn't have been more luckier to have a brother like you. And having known Tejasvi, I can say that we couldn't have found a better partner for Raj. And the journey begins for both of you. Enjoy the ride.
I wish you best of luck for your future journey. For the first time he has traveled so much till Mulund, and first of all he never used to go for Garba. You are the first one to bring that change, and we are so happy that you have come into his life and filled him with colors.
हम तो हो गए ज़मा धीरे धीरे खालमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना हम तो हो गए ज़मा धीरे धीरे खालमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना.
She's very jolly natured and she's very mixing, adjusting person, so it's very nice.
We are just waiting for you, Teju, come home and we can have all happy and nice moments and good memories. I'm too excited for you to make Rajbhai so happy. We love you all! Bye!
Teji, Jai koi nahi BG. Only word which comes to my mind when it comes to Teji is fair and lovely. Teji, wishing you all the best. Raj is a excellent guy. Have a happy married life.
Hi Teji, I know you are visiting New Zealand and I know you like to visit many countries. So may you see all the countries in the world. All the best.
तेजी, नाम में ही तेजी है. जिधर तेजी है वहाँ हर कोई राज करता है. Happy married life.
Hey Teji, congratulations to both you and Raj. Have a blessed life. Love you.
Hey Teji वाली सकी तू हमेशा रह सुखी.
Hi Teji, congratulations and have a happy and very amazing married life.
हम तो हो गए ज़मा धीरे धीरे खालमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना हम तो हो गए ज़मा धीरे धीरे खालमा.
The way my parents treat me, I never thought that anybody will be able to keep me that happy because my parents have done a lot for me. Like my mom, my dad, the little things that they do, even my brother, like they have done so much for me all my life. I never thought that I would get a family who would love me as much as they can. But Raj's parents changed that perception for me. Like they have welcomed me as their daughter.
So yeah, one thing I would say that Tejasvi coming in my life is a blessing in disguise. So I would thank Tejasvi's parents for giving such a wonderful daughter into my life.
तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए.
बंधन के मुटियारा आईਆਂ बटोला बन के ਕੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿੱਪਲ ਪੱਤੀਆਂ ਬਾਹੀ ਚੂੜਾ ਖਨ ਕੇ ਬੰਧਨ ਕੇ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾ ਆਈਆਂ ਪਟੋਲਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿੱਪਲ ਪੱਤੀਆਂ ਬਾਹੀ ਚੂੜਾ ਖਨ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਾਈ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦਿਲ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਾਈ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦਿਲ ਲੱਗਣਾ.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ मौसम છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम છે આવી ગઈ રાત અને ભૂલો तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी वाट जो काला तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी वाट रे जो काला तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी वाट रे
शगुना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियों नी बेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलन बधाइयाँ नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी बेड़ा सजिया मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलया सजना मिलया
If we go down together, they'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, when we go down together, we'll get away with everything. Let's show them we have love. We're staying in Paris.
शगना दी शाम अखियां विच लेके माही तेरा ही नाम मैं ते तुर जाना तेरे नाल वे बाबुल दी निगियां बाबा अम्मी दी सारियां दुआवां सारी सखियां दी यादां नू संभाल मैं ते जाना तेरे नाल माहिया मैं ते जाना तेरे नाल
तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम तेरा नाम मेरा नाम इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in
knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. But darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home.